everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1953 Ford F100. A buddy of mine, Scott, out of Tennessee, got this truck for me, and he told me, he said, Dave, you're going to love this truck. Man, I can't tell you guys how much I love this truck. This truck is awesome. 1,300 miles on a complete frame-off, custom-built restoration in killer, man. This is called, it's called Currant Red. It's a PPG paint. I've got some of the manuals and stuff on the restoration on the truck, but he's also got a breakdown on the paint, but you get it right from PPG. It's called Currant Red, which is a burgundy metallic. Actually, it's not even metallic, but just gorgeous paint on this truck. It's got a two-tone custom black and gray interior in it. I gotta tell you guys, I just love this truck, man. One of the nicest old driving trucks I've ever been in. I love the wheels and tires. It's got 20-inch American Racing salt flat wheels with the spinner cap. And man, this truck is slick, man. This thing's show quality. Beautiful truck. New chrome. The fit and finish is excellent. All new glass. Good running 351 Windsor engine in it. It's got a Speedway Mustang II style front suspension with a rack and pinion steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and pretty truck, guys. You can see the grill's nice. It's got slick paint. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on it. Again, 1,300 miles on a complete frame-off build. All steel truck. Sorry, little fingerprints on it. Pretty truck, man. And I'll tell you, Jordy drove it today, and I'm telling you, man, the cowl here works. They've converted the wipers to electric. This is a great truck, outstanding truck. There's just not a whole lot you could really nitpick on this thing, man. This truck is cool. LED tail lights in it. It's got the third brake light. Really cool custom bed. You see that's all painted. The wood's painted to match the truck. This is a... sorry, we got some old noisy truck rolling down the road. Coca Cola cooler. They've relocated the fuel tank to the center of the bed there. Just a cool truck, guys. Jordy's back today to hopefully start helping me get some stuff done. LED tail lights. Love the wheels and tires. Love the way this thing sits. This thing is pretty, man. Killer truck. Four-wheel disc brakes. Pretty that paint is. Bottom of the truck is just as nice as the top. 351 Windsor engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Got the stock style exhaust manifolds. You can see a beautiful set of finned aluminum air cleaner and valve covers. It's a Speedway Mustang II independent front suspension subframe on it. It's got the rack and pinion steering. Again, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a Ford automatic overdrive trans. Man, I like this truck, guys. This thing is just slick. Again, I've got there's a write-up for the build on it he gave to me. There's a lot of little manuals. It's got an easy wiring harness in it. Yeah, new glass. You can see the mirrors are nice. It's just a killer truck. Bench seat. It's got a GM column in it with a tilt steering wheel, Omega Customs gauge cluster. It's got an aftermarket sound system. It's got a all new heater box and everything in it. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a Fox body, 8.8 Ford rear end in with a 355. Limited slip. It's also got I think they're called chassis engineering, leaf spring kit on it. Man, just a super cool truck. Got it up on the hoist. Got some pictures of the bottom of it for you. I dig this truck, man. There's your radio. There's your remote for the radio in here. Blower motor works. Go ahead, Jordy, you can fire it up. Man, just a little sweetheart the way this thing runs too, man. Boy, it's a nice truck, man. Like I say, the fit and finish is awesome. Hard to find them like that, guys. All your gauges work. 1302 on your odometer. Okay, it's got LED tail lights. Third brake light works. All your turn signals, all that stuff works on the truck. Radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, you can go ahead and show them that cowl. Cowl's functional. They converted those to electric, those wipers to electric. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these new videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355.